I took P. Louise base, Rumor, in shade 1 to carve out her eyebrows, and now I'm taking 0.5. Now I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm taking the top blue shade. Next, I am taking the darkest purple in the palette and placing it on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking the lightest orange in the palette, and I'm using that to diffuse. I'm taking a clean 224 from MAC, and I'm buffing out the edges. And I also went ahead and applied a deeper shade of purple from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, just to add a little bit more depth and dimension. So I'm taking the P. Louise base in 0.5 to carve out a half cut crease, and I'm making sure I take the very top edge and winging it out. My head is in the way pretty much, but I'm taking a 252 from MAC. I took a mixture of all three of the lighter pinks in the palette, and I kind of mixed them all together. I'm taking a MAC 266 with NYX white gel liner, and I'm just carving out a liner to place a blue shadow on top. I just took the blue that I put in the crease and packed it on top of the white liner. So I went ahead and applied lashes off camera. Now I'm taking MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof in NC20 and applying it to her skin with a damp sponge. I took Face and Body by MAC and I applied it right on top with the same sponge, just so that way it melts the product a little bit more into the skin and makes it look a little bit more natural as opposed to a heavy mask. My client had never worn Shape Tape concealer before and she wanted to try it out, so that's what I'm applying. Normally this isn't the concealer I would use because it's a little bit too matte and a little bit too full coverage for what I was wanting. So I sheared it out a little bit with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I am taking a damp sponge and setting the under eye with MAC Select Sheer Powder in NW15. I'm laying down a cream contour, kind of dropping off the product and then going back in and blending it out. And now I'm taking a makeup wipe just to clean up any shadow fallout. Taking MAC Studio Care Blend Powder in the shade Dark, I'm using this to set and intensify her cream contour. Taking NARS blush in Deep Throat, I'm adding this to the apples of the cheeks and bringing it back to give an uplifted appearance. I'm taking that same light blue color that I applied in the crease and I'm applying to the lower lash line, starting at the inner corner. Next, I'm taking the dark purple in the palette and I'm diffusing it with the lighter orange that I used to diffuse the purple in the crease. I went ahead and added lips off camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this little transformation that we did. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.